Hey Sabrina, this is Sisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. We spoke earlier this morning, and as promised, I was going to go ahead and send this video over to you. Just giving you guys some tips and tricks as far as what you could be doing online to outbeat your competition and get more clients. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it, Sabrina. So right away, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at your website. Great website, by the way, but I'm looking for content, okay? I'm looking to see if you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content with keywords. And currently right now, I do see some keywords like reliable heating and cooling in West Palm Beach. Okay, this is a good keyword here, so great job on that. Now, a keyword is basically anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or project, okay? So as I keep going, air conditioning services in Boca Raton, that is huge. So good job on that specific keyword. And the reason why you want keywords throughout your website is because you want to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. Okay, so it's super important you do that. Now, let's jump over to this tab here. So this tab is a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. It just helps me understand how well any website is performing. So let's just audit your website. So right away, what I'm looking at is let's jump over to this section here. So this section here, this is the strength or authority of your website, and you're currently being indexed at 23, and this is your trust flow, and you're being indexed at 27. So great scores, by the way. And some of the things that drive this is your backlinks. Okay, so you currently have 279 backlinks with 65 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. So these links, they act like an endorsement for your website, and which is why you're getting these type of scores. Now, like I mentioned, it's just one thing in a bigger puzzle. Now, not all backlinks, though, are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks within your industry. Because if you were for, say, let's say you were to get a backlink from Pizza Hut linking back to your site, it could actually hinder your overall index scores. Now, the last thing I want to go over is your organic keywords. So you're currently being indexed for over 1,000. But now, what I'm looking for, Sabrina, is I'm looking for buyer intent keywords within the areas that you service. Okay, so I know that you guys are located in West Palm Beach, so I'm looking for those type of keywords. Now, this is a good keyword, by the way, air conditioning repair, Boca Raton, because this is where you're servicing, I'm assuming, right? And look at the volume. 200 people search for this every single month, but look at your positions, though. You're only ranked at 17. So that means you're probably in the second or third page of Google. Now, I'm just going to dive in a little bit further so I can show you a little bit more, because I just want to guide you so that way you can kind of understand exactly what your website's performing in. So I'm going to type in West Palm Beach, okay? And this is going to give me an understanding as far as what keywords you're being indexed for. So look, HVAC West Palm Beach, volume 50. And look, AC repair West Palm Beach, your volume is currently 250 and your position's 23. So once again, second or the third page of Google. Let's look at your competition now. How well are they ranking? So let's just take a look at Lindstorm, okay? Once again, I'm looking at keywords. They got one there. Plumber West Palm Beach, and so forth. Now, let's the same thing. Let's go to my tool called Ahrefs and see how they're performing. Look, they're not doing so hot when it comes to this specific page. It's only being ranked at 2 for their strength flow, and then they're being indexed here with 27 with their trust flow. But look at the backlinks. No backlinks are referring domains. So you're probably thinking, okay, well, what's going on here? Why is it that I have a higher score than they do? But look, AC repair West Palm Beach, volume is 250. Look at that. And their position's number 2. So you're asking, well, how is that even possible? Like, how does that make sense? Well, if we were just to, for example, analyze their entire website, it's because this website's a bigger website, okay? It has a lot of content. And what this company is doing is they're emphasizing all of their backlinks that they have. They're emphasizing it, or at least a big chunk of it, on these specific keywords. You see that? Because they understand that if they rank for these keywords, they're going to get more of those buyer intent, those folks that really want service, right? Because if you were to type this in, you're looking exactly where you're looking for, and you're going to find those companies that service AC repair. So let's just take, for example, this keyword, okay? Because 250 people search for that every single month. Now, it's an approximate, okay? So let's type it into Google and see what pops up. So right away, I'm going to take you section by section, okay? So this is the Google Guarantee or the Google Ads. So this is really good because folks are paying to be on here, and they just get fast results. Okay, so if it was me, I'm going to call these people and see if they can help me with my project. The second thing that I like the most also is the Google My Business page or GMB section, which is this guy here. The reason why is because 30 to 40% of calls come through the Google My Business page. So once again, you're missing out on all these customers on that search for this specific keyword, which is 250. Now, there's a lot of things you can do to increase that. One, get reviews. Respond to those reviews, optimize your content, okay, and then update your customers on a weekly, monthly basis. That helps with your increases. The last thing I want to go over, Sabrina, so we can end the video, is these are just the organic listings, okay? Folks that do SEO, that do help and focus on their scores, like I mentioned, and focus specifically on these keywords. They're going to organically be listed on here, and Google's going to give them that real estate. Okay, Sabrina, well, these are just some of the tips and tricks that I want to share with you. Doing a full audit, comparing how you're doing with your current competitors, and what you can be doing to continue getting more real estate online and getting more visibility with your potential clients. Let me know what your thoughts are. We'll love your feedback. We'll love to see as far as any questions you may have. So go ahead and email me back or give me a call, and we can have a good conversation. Thank you, Sabrina, and I will be following up soon. Have a good one.